Hi guys, it's Imelda here again, Imelda.godswill, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, share and like this video. If you're old, don't forget the drill, like the video as well and share. Today, from the title, you already know we're going to be doing a typical accommodation for students in the UK. I'm going to be showing you how a typical accommodation in the UK for students looks like. Also, the bonus would be a room tour and a house tour for myself. So let's get into it. Come on. So guys, this accommodation, for instance, is a treehouse share, which means 3 students are sharing this accommodation. So this is the hallway, as you can see, and this is the first room. Unfortunately, the room is not open because it's been taken by someone else. So let's get into it. This is the staircase, and I'm going to be taking you to the common areas, and the common areas are referred to areas where everyone in the house share, such as the toilet, the kitchen and the parlor, or will I say sitting room. That's basically what it is. So I'm going to be taking you to the common areas to see what it looks like in a typical student accommodation, and then we'll be heading to the other rooms which are not yet taken yet, and then to my room, which will be the last. This room is taken, so that's why I can't show you what it looks like, but from the door, this is the hallway, the staircase, and now we're heading to the sitting room and other common areas. Let's go. So guys, I'm in the common area, and the first common area I am presently at is the sitting room, and this is where we watch movies. I'm currently seated at the dining table, so here we have food, sitting room. So here by my left we have a beautiful artwork and my scooter. The dining table where I eat all the delicious meals. Netflix. A wonderful couch that pops up for more relaxation. Who doesn't like that? Anyways, less beating around the bush. Let's head on to more interesting stuff. More interesting. This is like the ironing table and all of that. Then we have the storeroom, so all the rubbish, not rubbish, like cartons for electronics that will still need to be packed in case you're moving. This is where we store them. And then we're moving to the second common area, which is the kitchen. Come on with me. This is the kitchen, guys. It's very portable. We have the cooker, washing basin, we have the laundry or washing machine, microwave, and some other utensils. We have the fridge as well. We have the heater. This controls the heating in the house, cold, warm, hot. We have the fridge. So guys, we're going to the third and the last common area, which is the area everyone who lives in this house must share, and that's the toilet. So as I mentioned earlier, we are 3 people in this accommodation. You can have up to 6, 8, 10 depending on your needs and your pocket and also your budget. So yeah, but for this house, it's a treehouse share, and we're going to the last common area, which is the area everyone shares, and which is the toilet. Come on guys. So we have the toilet obviously, washing basin, the bathtub. Nothing much to see here. Let's go. So now we'll be moving to the other rooms that haven't been taken yet or occupied yet, and finally my room. Let's get onto it. This is the first room. So like I said, this is a treehouse share, but you would notice that there will be 3 rooms upstairs and 1 room I told you was already taken downstairs, which will be 4. But technically, the person who takes this room is supposed to take a second room, just because these rooms are like the smallest. So instead of having 1, they are kind of lucky to have 2 rooms to themselves because their rooms are small. So this is the first of the smaller rooms, not taken yet. There's no lights. And then we have the second smaller room. This one has more amenities than the lights and all of that, but it's not taken as well. So the person who takes this room has that room as well, if that makes sense. So they have 2 rooms technically. And finally, before we head to my room, we have to put some drum rolls. So this would be like a mini room tour and my room, if that makes sense. Anyways, so let's come to my room. So before you head to my room, there's a little welcome mat here, and I have like a small storage here. This is where I keep my shoes and my extra bed sheets and beddings and more shoes and my gym items. Nothing much. And up here is my boxes. Nothing to see there. And when you come into my room, if any of you comment that I have too much clothes, I will look for your house. I'll look for your house and come to you. Shh, shh, shh. Now we can come in. So in my room is quite, it's not the normal aesthetic rooms you see around, you know, because I love colors and I love art, so you can't see me going all aesthetic like white, brown. I'm not the one. So my room is very colorful. So when you come into my room, the first thing you'll notice is the bed. I love my bed very well. My bed is like my baby. It's so comfortable and sweet. And the artwork in my room is also something that really calms me. The floral and the antelope thingy going on there, it's really unique for me. And then we have my wardrobe where I keep most of my clothing and more clothes and more clothes. And I have some of my ballet flats and loafers here, cosmetics here. Then I have more of my pants in here. My shades are here. Mirror. We also have a long mirror here so that I can look at myself in the mirror. Then we have my perfumes. I'm a perfume freak. I love smelling good. And then my foundation, more makeup stuff, more clothes. And then we come to my reading table. And this is where I get all my work done, because all play without work makes one very broke. Yeah, makes one very broke. That's my new one. So this is my work area. I just have another artwork here with my to-dos and whatnot, pictures, my system for work, notepad. Then here I keep my camera items such as my lights, my ring lights and other lights, and all of my other gears are here. And my wig head, my beautiful wigs, I display them here as well. And then let's come to the area where everyone always talks about, my bag area. This display is very unique for me because I said I liked clothes, right? But I also like bags and shoes. See, I like fashion. So these are my bags, and I love the arrangement. They're very aesthetic. This is what I call aesthetic for me anyways. And up here we have my calendar, some awards, my fine picture. I'm sure you know I'm cute already. Candles and all of that stuff. And on the both sides of my bed, I have, like, to that point I have the book I'm currently reading, my Bible, my headset. And to this point, I have my phone's charging, alarm clock, Alexa, some pictures. So here is not really as aesthetically pleasing as it should be, but here is where I keep like my night wears, belts, my caps, you know, and extra bags. So basically, this is my humble abode and where I get stuff done, where all the genius ideas come into play. Anyways, that's it. So in case you're wondering, different houses have different looks to it. So some might come like this, some might come in even a more urban display of furnitures and stuff. It all depends on your agency, your landlord, and your choice, and obviously your budget too. So this is like a typical student share accommodation, and just in case you want something better or you want an accommodation for just yourself, those options too are available. And in case you want such a video, please don't forget to comment down in the comment section and I wouldn't fail to deliver. Anyways guys, thanks for sticking to the very end of this video. I hope I've been able to show you and make you feel what a regular student accommodation looks and feels like. And in case you have any questions, drop in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share, and if you haven't subscribed, you are darling. Subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Till then, I'm your very girl, Imelda.godswill, and I'm grateful that you stood to the end. Till then, to my next video. Bye, lovelies.